This 5-minute solution will show you how to see your Instagram current password in laptop computer. If you saved your Instagram password previously, then you can easily see your current password. Open your browser and click on your Gmail ID and click on manage your Google account, and here select security and scroll down. You will get here password manager. Click on it, and now in this search password box type here Instagram. As I said, if you saved your Instagram password previously, here you will get Instagram. Just click on it, and now verify your Google account, and here you will get your Instagram username and your password. Just click on this eye icon to visible the password. That's it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.